Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm headed up to Denver to go to Sherwin-Williams to pick up the paint for the Dodge Durango Hellcat, and I was going to repaint it the Destroyer gray, but unfortunately they don't have toner for 8 months to make that color. So I'm changing the color of the Durango Hellcat to something that's really, really awesome. As you guys saw in the description, it is a factory Dodge color, but you guys don't know what it is yet, and I really love the color, but it is very far off from the normal colors. So it's not blue and it's not red, but it is gonna make the Durango pop. I mean, this color is super, super nice. It is just kind of like the same thing. It has a lot of pearls in it. So to make this color, the Sherwin-Williams had to pull all the pearls from the surrounding stores, so they can no longer make this color. I think for another year they won't have the pearls to make it. So let's head up to Denver. But before we do that, this shirt is the Rampage shirt to pretty much go off of the Charger build. So it is the Charger build shirt. It comes in a bunch of different colors. I really love the fabric that they use. A lot of people in my last video, the SEMA video, were saying that they couldn't figure out how to get to the link to purchase one of these shirts. So I'm gonna put the link in the description. Go get one of these while they last. They're really nice. They come in a bunch of different colors, and they have the SRT Gorilla, just like the Charger. But let's head up to Denver and get this paint. And I think you guys are gonna be really, really excited about it.
What's up, dude?
What up?
How you doing,
Should
man?
I get you on the tubes?
Probably not.
You don't want to be on there?
Not ready for that, man.
Oh man, I think you'll be all right.
What can I do for you, dude?
He's gonna mix the paint today.
Oh, hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
So you guys are gonna... He's on the phone right now, but...
All right, yeah. I was supposed to be out 1:30, but a little bit late.
No worries, man.
So yeah, I can't wait. Just got the paint from Sherwin-Williams. I also got one of these really cool pourers, so then you don't have to worry about wasting any paint. But he gave me some cups. I also have 2 gallons of clear, and we also have the green. So this is striker green. If you guys have never seen it, it's a color that came on the, I believe, 13 Dodge Viper. That's gonna look great on the Durango Hellcat. But all of this right here went up 12%. So I got it pretty much matched at what the price I was quoted on 2 weeks ago. It was $2,100. If I would have bought this or didn't come in like 2 weeks earlier, it would have been like almost $4,000 worth of paint supplies. So paint has gone up, but I'm really happy to get this when I did, because now the Durango is gonna be a really cool color. I also am getting gas in the Hellcat because she is a thirsty girl and everybody's all mad about the gas prices, but you know, it is what it is. So let's head back home, and I'm gonna show my friend Chris the paint color because he actually picked it. And you know, I think it is a really good combination with the Dodge Durango Hellcat and the Striker Green. Came over to Chris's to spray a speed shape out. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do about a paint booth. I'm probably going to just buy an inflatable one, since the guy that was running that shop, a bunch of stuff happened at that shop complex, and now I don't have a paint booth to use or rent. So what we're doing now, you have to mix that.
It's not mixed.
Yeah, that's, no, you have to, it's like 1-to-1, but so Chris is trying to mix paint, but
is it just thinner in here?
no, that's a reducer for the paint. No, it's mixed. I shook it up. It's kind of old. It was a little bit chunky, so
It looked cloudy.
yeah. Well, it's supposed to be cloudy, but I shook it up, but it had like chunks in it. So we're gonna try to spray the speed shape. I don't have any clear. I'll just probably spray clear on it later, but it'll be nice to see this color out on an object that
when it's wet too, it'll at least look like it's clear at first.
I want to see it on the car, but I think this color is going to look really good on the Durango. Thanks to Chris picking the color.
Yeah.
Chris picked it.
I know.
Yeah.
Am I supposed to say it yet, or are you just going to?
No, they already saw it at the paint shop because I did a mixing.
It didn't look like what it's going to look like on there.
Well, yeah, they haven't seen it on. So I was thinking about putting a picture in the
that was the guacamole
thumbnail.
The guacamole color.
Yeah, I'm not sure yet what I should do. Thumbnail picture of the Viper or just a picture of the guacamole. But let's mix some of this up and spray it out on the speed shape over there. It probably won't be the best paint job, but it'll be good enough to figure out what it's going to look like.
Yeah.
I think I'll just do 30 and 60. Oh, perfect. We'll just hold it up. And that looks good.
See, that looks more like it's supposed to.
This reducer's alright. It's old as fuck. And it's the wrong heat range. And it probably has chunks in it. Oh, you. It does have chunks in it.
Whatever, Dave. It's just my garage floor, right? That's why you come over here to do stuff.
Well, it's gonna evaporate. All right, so I think this color is gonna be amazing on the Durango. Good job, Chris.
Oh yeah, thanks.
But
you guys can blame me if you don't like it.
It doesn't give it justice because there's no clear on this, but it still it still looks really good. So this is striker green from, what is it, what was the last year, 2015?
Yeah, I don't know. It's definitely one of the newer Vipers, but
Yeah, like 2015, I believe, whatever the last year Viper, I believe it was the only year they had this color on it.
Yeah.
It was like a special option.
yeah, I don't remember.
That and the red.
Yeah.
So I'll have the only Durango probably in a few states until somebody sees this and wants a Durango that's striker green. That is striker green. So I'm pretty excited about this. I can't wait to start painting this car. I need to figure out what I'm going to do about paint booth, but now I have the paint. I'll have another Durango coming in the next few days. I think it was supposed to be here like a week and a half ago, but you know, shipping's being weird right now. So hopefully we get it this week. I can get all the quarter panels and I'll have the new hatch. It's a 2018, so I'll have the hatch for mine, and I'll have taillights and a bunch of other stuff that I needed to get mine ready to paint. So we have the paint. I really like this color. Thanks, Chris. Gonna end that video here. What do you think? You're gonna end the video?
Oh yeah. No, I'm not.
You're not gonna end it? Chris isn't gonna end it. But if you like these videos, make sure to click the subscribe button, throw a thumbs up, throw a comment below. As always, see you guys next time.